My name is Mohammed NASIM CK. I am from first year ideas. So my startup company name is Autovista Motors. So product present name is car and product proposed name is Vista. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during empathizing activity. First one is high safety precautions, and the car should have the sensor for sensing upcoming traffic. Based on the empathizing stage, considering the feelings and requirement of the customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name car, future product name Vista. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, high safety precautions. Second one, it can run on both land and water. Third one, color changing with controller. Fourth one, less pollution. In prototype stage, the real working model has been manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised you to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.